In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through app.constantcontact.com and add contacts to your audience list. Understanding this process is crucial for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. To start off, you'll first need to access your dashboard. This is the main hub of the Constant Contact platform, where you'll find various tools and features to manage your email campaigns effectively. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Audience tab. You'll usually find it somewhere on the main menu, often designed to stand out so it's easy to locate. After clicking on Audience, you'll come across a few different options, but for our purpose today, go ahead and click on Contacts. This section is specifically dedicated to managing the individuals you send communications to, so it's crucial you become familiar with it. Next, locate and click on Add Contacts. This button is typically quite prominent, as it's a fundamental feature of any email marketing platform. Adding contacts is the first building block to creating a successful campaign. Now, when the Add Contacts screen appears, you'll have a few choices. For this guide, we'll focus on adding a single contact. Select Add Single Contact. However, there's also an option for adding multiple contacts or uploading from a file, which can be really efficient for bulk uploads if you have a larger list ready to go. Once you choose to add a single contact, you'll be prompted to enter necessary details such as the contact's email, name, and any other essential information like their signature. It's best to be as detailed as possible because personalized information can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your email campaigns. It ensures that your messages resonate well with your audience. After entering all the information, double-check everything for accuracy. Errors here can lead to missed opportunities, as emails with incorrect details might not reach your recipient. Once you're satisfied with the input, the final step is to click Save. This action records the contact information into your system, making it ready for your next email blast. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a new contact to your Constant Contact audience list. Remember, keeping your contact list updated and organized will not only help you maintain better relationships with your audience, but also drive more effective email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to reach out with any questions or if you'd like to see more how-to guides like this one.